We are back with a new normal, and as you know, the 4th of July celebrations today will be anything but normal.
Yeah, that's for sure. So how do you celebrate in a safe way? NBC News medical correspondent Dr. John Torres is here with everything that you need to know. Dr. J, nice to see you. Happy 4th.
Happy 4th. Good to see you.
Happy 4th to you guys as well.
In. Yeah, thanks. We're glad you're here. So just give us a quick primer. Obviously, a lot of people excited to get out to barbecue with family and friends. What are the things you need to do to stay safe?
And remember, the more people you're around, the longer you're around those people, the more likely you are to either transmit or catch coronavirus. So you want to be careful. We don't want to repeat Memorial Day weekend where all these groups got together and now we're seeing the surges in cases because of that. So this holiday, you want to do things creatively. And that means if you are having a cookout, if you are having a gathering, a couple of tips. One, BYO everything. So bring your own everything. Essentially have mini picnics for everybody. You can be outdoors, which is much better than indoors because the virus is more dilute outside. But again, if everybody brings their own everything, you could have mini picnics 6 feet apart, social distancing. And remember your circle of trust. It's important to maintain that circle of trust, and you can expand it a little bit here, but if you do, the things to keep in mind, 10 people maximum, you still want small groups, and you want to make sure you can social distance the whole time. And that means also keeping a mask handy, because if you do have to move indoors or you can't social distance, you want to make sure that you have that mask available as well. And then when it comes to actually grilling, which is a big thing, obviously, this 4th of July weekend, you want to designate one person who can do the cooking. You don't want people to share utensils or share anything because that's how the virus can transmit. So again, designated cook, separate utensils per person, and then condiments. Instead of having the ketchup or the mustard bottle, have little packets like you do in restaurants or in fast food joints, so that way people can have that, or little cups that everybody can use themselves. If worse comes to worse, then you can have a designated condiments person as well. And so again, have fun, but be creative this 4th of July so you can go ahead and make sure that you do it safely.
Yeah, those are some good ideas. This stuff is hard with kids, by the way. And what I'm hearing from a lot of parents is they plan maybe a visit to the beach, or they want to go to a pool or even a friend's pool. How safe is that, and how do you stay safe doing it?
So one of the main things you want to do is do your research beforehand and call ahead either to the pool itself, if it's a community pool, or to your neighbors and just say, what are you doing? How are you keeping crowds low? Because it's important to remember you're going to get coronavirus from people, not from the pool water. So how are you keeping crowds low both in and out of the pool? How are you making sure you can social distance? On top of that, what are you doing for cleaning and safety policies? Are you using chlorine? And chlorine can definitely kill coronavirus, although it doesn't grow in water that well, but it can also kill the other germs that can affect you as well. So a couple questions to ask before you end up going to that pool. And when you are in a pool, remember, social distancing in the water is as important as it is out of the water. That's extremely important. Don't share towels, don't share sunscreen, don't share water bottles, because that's another way you can transmit. But again, the bottom line, have fun, but have fun in a safe fashion.
Yeah, and Dr. Torres, the New York Times actually reporting that 80% of fireworks have been canceled. We know that some cities and towns are still holding them. So if you want to go out to your local fireworks, what's the safest way to get out there and still watch them?
So the safest way is not to watch them in crowds, because again, the more people you're around, the longer you're around those people, the more likely you are to catch coronavirus or to give it to somebody. So be creative again for this as well. Here in Colorado, we're doing it from our porches. They're having displays across the city. Other places are having drive-ins. TV, you can watch it on TV as well with your family. Just ways you can see that without being in the crowds. That's going to be the important point here for this whole weekend.
Yeah, porches and roof decks sounding pretty good. Dr. Torres, always great to see you. Great to see you on this holiday weekend. And a quick reminder, you can watch the Macy's 4th of July Fireworks Spectacular hosted by Craig and Dylan. The festivities begin at 8, 7 Central right here on NBC.
Safest place is on your couch.